Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. I appreciate you. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you as well. I appreciate your support and feedback. So we're standing in front of my collard green bed, and it has been a while since we have done a harvest here, and we're going to do just that, do a lot of harvesting and get some good groceries from this bed. So we're going to start over here on this side, and the ones that I'm going to get are the Alabama blue, and we have two plants growing here, or actually three. So we're going to start on this side. As you can see, we did a lot of harvesting and a little bit of pruning while we were here. And we got a lot of good groceries. Let's go see. So, as you can see, a very, very nice harvest of collards. We have 4 different types. We have the Alabama Blue, we have the Purple Wheaten, we have the Champion, Morris Heading, and we have the Georgia Southern. And we got a very good harvest here. We're gonna take these inside and process them, and then vacuum seal them and put them in the freezer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got something out of it. Hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, leave me a comment. Have you guys, or rather, are you guys still harvesting collards? And if so, what types? I read somewhere that there's over 1,000 types of collard greens, and I love me some collard greens. It would be nice to try quite a few of them. If you're interested in any of the seeds or materials used in the video, head over to my Amazon storefront. The link is listed in the description portion of the video, as well as my website. The link is also listed. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but it's a fact. I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, as always, remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.